Hey guys, I got a little time in the truck here, holding the camera. I was at the flea market the other day. Got this little guy for $1. No key. Oh, breaks my heart. There's the keyway. But it's a nice easy pick. And I'll use my custom pick from Hillbilly. Seems to be my go-to anymore. And so anyway, it was a can't even explain it, it's too fast. But nice easy pick. I believe it's 4 pins. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a cute little lock. Maybe have to clean it up a little bit. What's this? Super pin tumbler. Not just regular pin tumbler, super pin tumbler. But anyway, that's that one. And I also have one I got. Might as well make it a two for Tuesday. Walmart special, $9. Blackburn bike lock. This one here. Nice little dimple pick. Get this stupid. Oh, it's tied in there. I don't care. Let's see here. Get my little kit here. My dimple pick. My one and only dimple pick. Hey, actually, again, came from Hillbilly. Custom made. Nice little comfy handle. So 2 for pick time. Oops, and drop the camera. No cute camera stand in the truck. At least it didn't really get totally going. I'm not an excellent pick or dimple picker, but got to practice, right? There's a reset here. There's a nice click. And there she goes. Hope that was in camera. I was looking at the lock, not the camera. But this one, it locks. You have to use the key to lock it. Whoops. So it doesn't. Shit, here we go. It doesn't spring load, so you can't just lock it without the key. Well, anyway, there's my 2 for Tuesday. Hopefully I get some time to make some more videos. So So that was a whopping $10. Again, Blackburn. Get him in focus. See if I can get her to focus. It has a cable lock, 8-inch cable lock, or 8-inch U-lock, and it comes with the cable. It's right there, so you can double up on it. Security level 4, $500 anti-theft offer. Boy, they're gonna go bankrupt. I think it was $16.96 originally. But and this one was my favorite little find. Pretty shiny Yale, a whole $1. Might have to try impressioning a key or using the key code. If I can get it to shine up. 27798. That's a pretty little lock. Anyway, thanks a lot, guys. Subscribe down there. Like over here. Share my videos if you want. I don't care. I'm at 370-ish, 74, somewhere in there, subscribers. Maybe when I get up to 400, I'll do another giveaway. It's been a while since I've had a chance to do one. Somewhere between 3 and 4, I slowed down because of work. But we're around. Keep picking legally and have fun.